Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Jai Shri Ram. Welcome back to the Clay Studio. So today is the day that I managed to reach the 1000th name of Sri Vishnu. So finally arrived, all 1000 names written. This has been an amazing journey. A lot of things that I have learned. I definitely could have done better. But this is the first time I'm experimenting, so I'm kind of happy. There are a few things that I want to do, even after finishing the writing, I want to do, just to make sure that the background is still perfect. Number one, I want to test an experiment going around, merging the skyline even nicely like it would look in a normal nature art, glazing it very nicely to make it smooth like a normal art, and test and see what happens. In case some of the words smudge, then I would have to repaint those names. It's the risk, but I want to test and see what happens to it. That's one thing I want to do. And then I noticed that some colors, for example, this orangish color has a little bit of inconsistency. In some places, the words are not that clear. It'll be okay for now, but then when I start taking the high resolution images, I'm not sure it will have that consistency in quality. So I want to be very sure. So I might have to rewrite a little bit, but it will not take that much time that it did to do the whole writing, because I have tested it previously that it's just I don't have to keep looking at my mobile phone to look at the names and write one by one. I have to just rewrite on top of what's written and actually go block by block. The way I've been writing is left to right, very slowly, but I can go block by block, meaning color by color. So if I'm working on orange or purple, for example, I'll just focus on scripts that are in purple or orange only. And that way I will be able to maneuver through the canvas to do that. And another thing is that there is some more space in the bottom. Luckily, I was able to finish all 1000, but then this is really good to have a little bit of space, because I wanted to give space for Ganesha and Guru as well. So I will possibly include a little bit of small little shloka there. Also English transliteration form. So that's what I want to do in terms of writing and the background. And so far I have spent 113 hours only on the painting so far. And then with all this I'm estimating 20-30 more hours of work on the background, and then definitely 20 more hours on the detailing part of it, which is something I really stopped for a while. I haven't worked on the painting itself. So yeah, he needs little more decoration as well. So that is to be done. And in terms of the research work that is going on, we are, when in a couple of days, of course, you'll get to see the vlog number 24 coming, and we usually work in advance. So I have already the next 4 weeks videos recorded and given to Sri Vidya so she could edit. So now the focus will be on trying to get more recordings done. Of course, all this 100-hour work have been recorded already. So we have 100 hours of content in terms of B-rolls only. So the vlog content of what I'm speaking, I have to work, sharing the research work, that is to be done. And that's a separate thing. If I have to give the ratio for the 100 hours of painting, there's about 400 hours of research work going on. Plus you have to include the editing hours taken by Sri Vidya to do the editing of the video. So that's the kind of activity that we are being asked to do, I would say. But we are glad that we are able to do. We are glad that we are able to reach this far. So in terms of detailing, just to remind you what I usually do, if you look at the Sri Ramji's painting, Sita Ramam painting, all the details were possible. The kind of details that we have, inspiring in the eyes, or even in the flower work, the jari work in the cloth, or even the jewelry detailing. All this was, possible because of the clarity of what is foreground and what is background. The background was completely easy for me because it was just a monotone. The blue color was filled in, and once everything was clean and clear, then I started focusing on the details. That itself was not possible with this painting because the background itself took about I think 80 hours of work totally. It's so far out of the 110. You can easily give the 80 hours only for the writing part of it. So I've been writing only and not painting. So yeah, assuming that I'll take 20 hours to do the final adjustments that I want to do with the background, whatever I wanted to do, then I will come back to the detailing part of it the way I did it for Sri Ramji's painting, hopefully when he approves. So that's the whole thing. So another update, what's going on, 2024, like I said, Vishnuji just took over the whole clay studio, and we've had Sri Ramji painting in this one, and also Hayagreva painting, Sri Lalita Sahasranamam's Sri Chakra, so many things. And now is the time for the new project. The new project is going to be, I have already started sketching some things here. Of course, you can guess one of them. That is going to be baby Ganesh and baby Bala and baby Murugan, and of course the parents as well. So it's going to be Shivji's painting. So we are going to be going the Shiva route here with this large canvas, and it's got a lot of elements, also very interesting ones coming up, and a lot of learning curves as well. I haven't decided what will be the infotainment content that I will share, because now that we are getting into infotainment, it's not just going to be what I'm painting that will be put in. So I haven't decided what will come as infotainment for the videos that I will create for this painting yet, but we might have to wait and see for that. Until such time, stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy, stay motivated. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.